Every week, dozens of AI tools claim they can help you land your dream job faster. But how many of them actually deliver real results instead of just making big promises? So today, we're putting one of the most popular AI resume builders to a real-world test. We'll build an actual resume and see if it truly lives up to the hype. Now it's time to open Kickresume and see what the experience is actually like. We'll explore its features, test its interface, and decide if it's really worth using. My first impression is definitely positive. The homepage looks clean, professional, and well organized, making it immediately clear what the platform is designed to help you accomplish. Once you're inside, the dashboard feels surprisingly clean and easy to navigate. Everything is organized into clear sections, so finding the right tools doesn't take long. This is where the platform really starts to shine. The resume builder feels intuitive, and the overall layout is designed to keep the entire process simple and distraction-free. This is the feature I was most curious about. AI writing can either save you hours of work or create generic content, so let's see which one happens here. The AI only takes a few seconds to generate content, and honestly, the first draft looks better than I expected. It's clear, professional, and easy to build on. Reading through the generated content, it doesn't feel robotic or overly repetitive. The writing is clear, professional, and gives you a solid foundation instead of forcing you to start from zero. The AI does a great job creating the first draft, but I still recommend reviewing and personalizing the content. That's what makes your resume feel authentic. Looking at the final result, the resume feels clean, modern, and professionally designed. It already looks polished enough to make a strong first impression. Now let's talk about pricing. The free plan gives you enough features to explore the platform, while premium unlocks additional templates and advanced AI tools. So, is Kickresume worth trying? I'd say yes. It offers a clean experience, useful AI features, and enough value to make the free plan worth checking out before upgrading.